and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani for those of you who don't know me, and today we are doing a haul, y'all. I took a recent trip to Ikea to get some stuff for the apartment, and I got some really cute things, but they were actually out of the two things that I went there, which was my main reason for going to Ikea, which were the Ivara cabinets and these white boxes for my closet. My room is currently a disaster because we moved, and what you guys don't see is that there's 1,000 boxes behind this camera that are waiting to go somewhere, but they have nowhere to live right now because I have no furniture. So I really wanted those Ivara cabinets, but the system said that they are going to be back in stock soon. So when those go back in stock, I'm definitely going to run over and grab those. But anywho, on to the haul. I got a couple pieces that require being put together that I haven't put together quite yet because I literally just went to Ikea. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop little pictures up of those items so you can see what the heck I'm talking about. The first item was a $10 clothing rack. I want to start doing more fashion styling videos and whatnot, and I feel like the clothing rack is the essential item that you have to have to do clothing styling videos. So I saw this one at Ikea and it was only $10 and I was like, heck yeah, let's grab it, let's do this thing. The second thing that I got from Ikea that hasn't been put together yet is the, sorry, I'm gonna reference my phone because I wrote down the item in my phone. It's the John Axel shelf unit. So it's actually meant to be a shelving unit, and you can build it up or whatever you can with most Ikea furniture. But this one I plan on using for a little nightstand. I thought it was cute. I like the open shelving concept, and I thought it'd be cute to style my little nightstand and whatnot. So that is it for the things that have to be put together that I haven't put together yet. The next things that I picked up were these little glass jars, which look like this. I got 2 of them. And I want to be able to put little plants in these. I thought these were cute for styling. They were only 99 cents, so I was like, heck yeah, I'll take little glass jars for 99 cents. I don't think these have a name on them. They don't. So little glass jars, 99 cents at Ikea. All right, so then the next thing I got was one of their pillow inserts. This is actually, I got more than one, but this is the only one I got in this size, which is the 16 by 26. So it's longer. And I got this cover to go on it. So that's what the pillow is going to look like when I put it together. And it's a nice linen-y, neutral, and I thought it looked really cute on my bed. I'm doing neutrals and earth tones in my room. So I thought this was really cute, and it came out cheaper than trying to go buy pillows, I'm pretty sure. This cover was $9, and I believe this insert was $4, so it came up for $13 to build the pillow essentially. But the nice thing is once I have the insert, I can just buy new covers and I have a brand new pillow. So I also got some of the feather inserts, and this is the 20 by 20 size. I'm holding these up so you guys can see the names because I cannot pronounce them. I'm not even gonna try with most of these. So yeah, this is the 20 by 20, and the feathers ones are more plush and puffy. I will show you guys, one second. So this is what the feather ones look like. They're a lot more plush than I think the cotton fill or whatever is in the other ones. But yeah, so I got these, and these were $6 each for these ones. And then I got these green velvet pillow covers. This is not one of the pillows in there. This is one of our old pillows actually in here. But the green velvet is for the holidays. These will probably come off after, after Christmas and whatnot. But I really liked this green velvet. I thought it was really, really nice. And it was a pretty inexpensive way to cover up some of our old couch pillows. The next things I got were these cute little wall hooks. I actually got 3 of them. I don't know where the third one is at, but that's neither here nor there. You can see what they are. I got these because I wanted to be able to hang up my hats. I have a few lack of color hats, and I just wanted to be able to display them on my wall nicely, and so I thought these were perfect, and they were only $5 each. And then the next thing I got were these cute stick-on lights. I got these to put under the kitchen cabinets to give our kitchen a little bit of flair, or I don't know, just to make it look nicer. I don't know. But they're battery operated, and they just stick up on under your cabinets, and these were $4 each. I mean, nobody needs to see this. I think it's unnecessary to see this, but I got some extension cords. I feel like you can never have too many extension cords, because as soon as you think oh, I don't need another one, you find another reason to use one. So I got these 2, and I believe they were $6 for the pack of 2. That's a whole helicopter. The next items I got were these really cute pitchers with the little cork top. I thought these were super cute. I got these because I wanted to be able to make my own iced coffee and iced chais at home. So I got these to be able to store in the fridge with my tea and coffee, and they were $8 each. The next thing I got were these wooden I believe it's like a plate holder or like a dish holder of some sort. But I got these to store my makeup palettes in. I saw this on another YouTuber's video and I was like, I have to get those because I have so many palettes and no way to really store them. So I thought this was a really cute way to do that. And these were $3 each and I got 3 of them. I don't know if I have that many palettes, but I just wanted to make sure that I had enough. I'm pretty sure that I do have enough big palettes to actually fit all these spaces in here. But yeah, I thought this was a great way to store all of my makeup that I have. All right, so like I said, I'm trying to get my bedroom together and buy a bunch of stuff so I can like pull it all together. So one of the things I wanted was a shelf behind my bed. I have a queen, so that means I need like a 60-inch shelf to go back there. And it's been really difficult trying to find a 60-inch shelf for some reason. I don't know why. But while I was at Ikea, I found these really nice like natural wood looking shelves. And they are 29.5 inches each. So they're gonna be an inch short, but I think when you put it up on the wall, like you wouldn't like be able to tell that it's like a little bit shorter than the bed. So I'm not really worried about it. But yeah, I thought these were really cute, and to be able to put like, you know, candles or like little like plants or something on them. Cause I have really nice windows in my room, so my plants can get nice light. But yeah, these were only $13 each. And then the last thing that I picked up during my Ikea haul was something that I feel like everybody and their grandmother picks up when they go to Ikea. And it is this basket, this like rattan basket. Everyone and their grandmother has this basket, I swear. But it's such a cute basket and it's a great price. So I believe it just recently dropped. I think it was originally like $28 and now they're selling them for $25, I think. Don't quote me on that. But I believe it's like $25 that they're selling these for now. And I got this to go in the living room to put our blankets and stuff in because I thought it was just like really cute and really nice. Okay, so that is it for my Ikea haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe because like I said, I'm doing Vlogmas this year and that means I got 25 videos coming for you guys. Or I don't know, I'm not sure where this video is gonna end up in the lineup, but essentially there's 25 videos going up in December and I don't think you're gonna wanna miss any of them. I think they're great. So make sure to subscribe for more Vlogmas content from me and I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.